We start with heating up our bed and our extruder to the temperatures that we need, either ABS or PLA. In my case, I have PLA and I'm going to choose that. Now that we have our bed and extruder temperatures up to where they need to be, we should be homing our printer so that our X, Y, and Z are all at 0. Now we go into the printer settings and we raise our extruder by 0.1 millimeters. Now we can go ahead and disable our stepper motors. This way we can move the head around freely and take the measurements on all the corners of the bed. I personally like to use a feeler gauge with 0.1 millimeter setting, but you can use a 20-pound weight piece of paper. Now we move around our head and use our feeler gauge to make sure that we have the proper adjustment. Just make sure that all of the resistance on the feeler gauge is the same all the way around, and you should be fine. Once all the corners feel the same, you can go ahead and home your machine and you're ready to print.